In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ChatGPT Atlas on your Mac. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. We'll guide you through the steps to allay any potential confusion and ensure that you have a seamless experience. Whether you're tech-savvy or a beginner, these instructions are tailored for anyone. So, let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser on your Mac. I recommend using something you're already comfortable with, like Safari or Chrome, for ease of use. Once your browser is open, head over to Google. Now, in the Google search bar, type in ChatGPT Atlas. Press enter, and it should pull up the search results related to ChatGPT Atlas. Look for the link that directs you to the OpenAI website. The OpenAI site is the official source for anything related to ChatGPT, ensuring that what you download is safe and authentic. Once you spot the OpenAI website link in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the ChatGPT Atlas section within the OpenAI site. Now that you're on the OpenAI site, keep an eye out for a download option specific to macOS. This is crucial because you want the software version that's compatible with your Mac system. When you locate the Download macOS link, click on it. You might be prompted asking you to confirm or complete a second step before the download begins, which is completely normal. To make sure the download begins, the site may ask you to click on Download macOS again. You might be wondering why this step needs repeating. It's often a security measure to ensure the download is intentional. Go ahead and click that option again. Confirming twice helps prevent accidental downloads. Having initiated the download, your browser might display a pop-up asking for permission to proceed. If you see an Allow button, click on it. This pop-up is just an added layer of security to confirm that you want to download files from this site onto your computer. Clicking Allow ensures your Mac gets the go-ahead to proceed with the download. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the download of ChatGPT Atlas on your Mac. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a little time, so feel free to grab a coffee or finish up any other tasks while you wait. Once the download completes, you'll be ready to install and start using ChatGPT Atlas. Remember, each step we've covered ensures that your experience is as safe and efficient as possible, from choosing the right download link to confirming site permissions. Thanks for joining us today, and good luck with your ChatGPT Atlas experience.